In this example, we'll create a polythermal projection in a ternary system. So the ternary system that we are using is MgAlZn, and we'll create two polythermal projections. The first is for the first melting surface, which in most cases corresponds to the Solidus projection, and the second is the Liquidus projection. So let us see how to do that. So I'll go to my phase diagram, and I'm selecting the FT-Lite database. So FT-Lite database, the units are in mole and in Celsius over here. So I'll add mg, al, and zn over here in my input window. I'll go next. And now what I want to do is I want to select all solutions over here. I also want to select all the pure solids. And over here in the liquid at the I option, I'll right click, and as you can see that over here there are lots of options like standard stable phase, formation of target phase, precipitation of target phase. So for the first melting surface, which I'm calculating right now, I'll select the F option, formation target phase. So fact stage then calculates the temperature at which first liquid begins to form. So this is the first melting or the Solidus projection. So I'll go here. Then I'll select my conditions, like my plot conditions. So the parameters for the phase diagram. So I'm making a XY plot. Next, the temperatures projection. So from 500 to 1000, and then I'm varying the amount of aluminium on the Y-axis and the amount of zinc on the X-axis. So I do an OK over here, and then make sure to select both univariant lines and isotherms over here, and then we can calculate. So the calculation for this particular system actually takes a lot of time on my computer, so I have already prepared the results for it. So this is the Solidus projection or the first melting surface that we get. And we can also plot the Liquidus projection doing something very similar. So in our reaction conditions, we keep everything the same. All we do is that instead of the F option over here, we select the O option. So, okay. So I'll first select the standard stable phase, and then I'll select the O option again, and then I'll calculate. And again, I have prepared the results beforehand because calculation takes a lot of time. And so this is the Liquidus calculation. And these results are also present in the slides over here, as you can see. So this is the Solidus projection, and this is the Liquidus projection. So this is how we can make different projections with the phase diagram module of fact stage.